Hello everyone, we are in Vancouver and we're currently in Burnaby. Had to get a maku. Cheers! This would have been missing. This was probably the best bun roux I've ever had. It was so flavorful. There was such a strong crab flavor to the broth. And if you're looking for another noodle option, this was a clean broth flavor with a hint of dill. It is our first full day and we're going to Lunch Lady. We're just waiting for our table, but so excited to eat. Our first stop of the day is Lunch Lady, and I highly recommend booking a reservation here. For starters, we got the beef carpaccio. The Thai basil mint and perilla really brings an element of freshness to the dish. The Wagyu pho had such a rich but surprisingly light, clean broth. And lastly, we got the ribeye steak with peppercorn sauce, which was absolutely delicious. So we finished at Lunch Lady and it was so delicious. It was probably the first time trying their lunch menu. It is a lot smaller. They have mostly like noodles and a few appy options, but it was still really delicious. We got the steak, we got the Wagyu pho, and the beef carpaccio, which was super refreshing. Highly recommend coming here if you're in the area. This is one of my favorite places to get jerky. We were kind of in the area and went to BKH, got some jerky. Obviously we're going to Paragon. Probably going to stop by Maku too. But yeah, I think it's going to be like 25 minutes of traffic, so I will vlog when I'm there.
Sweet, rich, and it's like matcha.
Wasn't that Stagger?
Stagger wasn't bad, but I think I like this better. Do you like Stagger better?
Oh, this is pretty comparable. So we got the double shot of matcha, lightly sweetened. Okay, so now we are on our way to Lido for some bao because we're in Richmond and I feel like it's a must. Let me open this. Went to Lido for the pineapple bun. It was so efficient. We just got it to go and we're like, yeah, we're just gonna eat it. Basically finished the pineapple bun before we even arrived at the car. But now we're gonna go to Maku. It is day 2 of another Maku drink. So we decided to get a different drink or different mango drink today. This one is Chi-Chi.
So these ones are the Miyagis and the Kushis.
Got the last bit of fix of Maku. I'm just waiting to get picked up and then we're gonna go to Long's Noodle. Got the top layer. You know how much I love tofu pudding. We got the cold ginger tofu pudding, which was perfect on a hot summer day. The consistency was super, super smooth. This is definitely my most anticipated meal of the entire trip.
First course is sashimi.
Chinatown right now. There's this speakeasy jockey club cocktail place that I really wanted to go to called Bagheera. So we are gonna do that.